Boys charged after sexually assaulting girl behind church. Two men on a motorcycle died in St. Elizabeth crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two boys ages 15 and 17 have been arrested and charged after sexually assaulting a 15-year-old girl in Yallas, St. Thomas on New Year's Day. Both teens have been charged with rape and aiding and abetting. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m., the boys dragged the victim behind a church in Rumble District and had sexual intercourse with her against her will. She escaped and made a report to the police. The boys were arrested and charged following a question and answer session. The police stated that their court date is being finalized. Two men died as a result of injuries they sustained during a two-vehicle crash along the Ridgepen Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Tuesday night. The deceased are 61-year-old Farmer Winston Sinclair of Little Park, Treasure Beach, and 50-year-old Vernon Forbes of Mountainside, both in St. Elizabeth. Reports are that about 9:35 p.m., both men were traveling on a motorcycle along the roadway when the bike collided with a Toyota Axio motorcar that was traveling in the opposite direction, with the driver reportedly failing to properly negotiate a corner. Sinclair and Forbes were flung from the motorcycle and sustained multiple injuries on landing. Both men, along with the driver of the car, were assisted to hospital where Sinclair and Forbes were pronounced dead. The driver of the car was treated for his injuries. The St. Elizabeth police are probing the development.